In this video, I'll be showing you how to make age-restricted channels on Discord on your mobile. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So anyways, before I get into it, this works exactly the same whether you're on iPhone, Android, or Samsung. So you actually don't want to be going into the Discord application because they've actually, for some reason, made it so that you can't make an age-restricted channel from the Discord application. So what you want to do is actually swipe out of that and log in on a browser of your choice, like Safari. So once you've logged in on your browser of choice, it's going to start loading up. Then once it does, all you want to do is you want to go over to the text channel that you want to do this with, or it could be a voice channel. And you're going to see the little settings wheel icon. So just zoom into that so you can actually easily press it. Then once you're here, it's going to show a lot of different options. You want to go over to overview, then just scroll down and you're going to see age restricted channel. It says users will need to confirm they are over the legal age to view the content in this channel. Age restricted channels are exempt from the explicit content filter. So just click on that and then you just press save changes and then you'll be good to go. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.